While artificial intelligence is transforming the media landscape, certain facets remain uniquely human. Take investigative journalism, for instance. This field demands a deep understanding of context, a knack for asking the right questions, and an ability to connect with sources on a personal level. AI might crunch data, but can it show up at a whistleblower's door with an understanding smile? Then, there's creative storytelling. Every culture thrives on stories that resonate on a human level. Tales of love, betrayal, and triumph. These stories require a writer's touch, nuances of emotion and cultural context that AI often misses. Moreover, in the realm of media, empathy and ethical judgment are paramount. They guide the moral compass of our narratives, ensuring stories are told with sensitivity and respect. AI, as of now, lacks this depth of emotional intelligence. It seems then that the heart of media still beats best with a human touch. With everything we've seen, what does the future hold for media professionals amidst the rise of AI? As we've explored, artificial intelligence is reshaping the landscape of media jobs, intertwining with roles from journalism to film production. AI's capabilities in automating routine tasks and analyzing massive data sets have been a game changer. However, this is not just a tale of machines taking over, it's about transformation and collaboration. The future demands media professionals who can merge their irreplaceable creative instincts with AI's analytical prowess. The integration of AI in media is not about replacing human creativity, but enhancing it. Professionals will need to adapt by mastering new tools that AI offers, be it in editing, scripting, or content curation. Embracing AI allows for crafting more engaging, personalized content and opens up possibilities for real-time adjustments based on viewer feedback. This synergy can lead to unprecedented levels of productivity and innovation in media creation. In the end, it's not about AI replacing us. It's about using AI to redefine what we can achieve in